Let's go on a mommy and son date.
Welcome back, guys. So we're currently in the car. Say hi.
Hi.
Y'all like our hoodies? Period. Mommy son gang. You gonna tell them what we about to do?
Yeah.
What we about to do? Look at the camera. Talk.
Let's go on a mommy and son date.
We're going on a mommy and son date. Yes. It is Sunday. Valentine's Day is Tuesday, but we're gonna be busy Tuesday. He has school and gymnastics, and that's just that. Like, and then of course everything is booked up because it's Valentine's Day, so I'm not really pressed to do anything on Tuesday because it's my son. So I got us reservations at 8 to the Sugar Factory. So yes.
A sugar factory.
Sugar Factory, yeah. It's gonna be like,
where we're going?
yeah.
So it's gonna have sugar?
It's gonna have like
a lot of candy?
Yeah, I think they have like a lot of candy, like cool milkshakes and stuff like that, and some food. So yeah,
I'm hungry right now.
you hungry right now? Okay, yeah. Well, it's only 6 o'clock, so I am gonna stop and get us something quick to eat, but I do want to walk around downtown, so that's why we're going early. And the Sugar Factory is downtown Detroit, and I'm kind of nervous because I haven't heard like a lot of good reviews about this one, and I'm just stressed out, but it don't matter. It's whatever. We still going, so I'll see y'all downtown. What you got to say, Kai? Oh, that's me. Nothing. You don't have nothing to say? Okay. Currently downtown. Say hi, Kai. Getting the views. Give me a hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Getting the views. That's where we're going right there. The Sugar Factory. And y'all, we parked right down there. Look at God. People are ice skating. Okay, hold on, okay. Hold on.
How did they do this?
I don't know. They got the skates.
Well, all of these trees are my favorite.
Are they? Oh, he almost broke his neck, and I almost got that on camera too.
Falcon!
I know, aren't they cute? Oh, you want to take a picture in front of the heart? Right here. Look at that. Hey, son. How you doing? How you doing? Don't lay on that. It been 1,000 people on this thing. You want to keep walking? Okay. Where we going, son? I don't know. It looked like a tunnel to the sewer. What you think? Come here.
I know it's not because tunnels to the school, they don't have gates.
It's so pretty down here. You want me to record you? Okay. Go ahead. No, come on, let's keep going. Come over here, baby. We can walk in a circle. Come on, let's take a picture over here.
Wait. How does it?
We can take it right here. This is perfect. Come here.
Should I take it up on here?
I'm finna take it on my phone. And right here.
What's in there?
Come on, come stand right here so I can know where I gotta stand. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect. Nope, nope, over here. Over here. There you go. Perfect. Look at my son, I'm so proud. Oh, you almost hit me in my face. Watch our surroundings, son. Watch our surroundings. Okay?
Because somebody's fucking like.
Ain't nobody gonna do nothing to us. Cause we.
I wanna live there.
Me too. Show the camera where you wanna live. Turn it around and point it up. Yeah, show them where you wanna live.
I wanna live.
Can they see it?
Yeah. Yep.
Now what? You wanna go this way? Let's go. Let's go this way. No, it's a dead end. Oh, it's just the other side of that. Okay, well, we can go out and go that way. Hey, hey, hey. Come on now. I don't like you running too far. It's cold. Come here. This is the street now. You can stop running. Come on this side. Come on this side. And
I'm gonna go over there.
what's over there?
Over there.
Okay.
Go.
Where? Oh, the bottom stairs?
I think I just saw Tessie.
I don't think that's no Tessie, son. Hey, 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 it's cars coming. Come on.
Come on. Ah! They're gonna hit us. I don't want them to hit us. Or else they'll be bad.
I got the big bag out tonight, y'all. It's giving rich moms of Detroit. Rich moms. I'm trying to see where Mia's store was. I don't think it was right here. I think it was over there, maybe. I don't know. Look at my baby. Having the time of his life. All right, y'all, so it's cold. It's cold. I gotta focus on keeping us safe. Huh? Okay, yeah, it's cold. I gotta focus on keeping us safe. And I'm gonna record when we get in there, y'all. I'll see y'all later.
Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that Celebrate, don't wanna say you like it. I don't buy it with a say you like it. He said the body unbelievable. Can't trust a bigger than a Gemini. I keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump. Then that's a beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back till you see it back, yeah. Back till you see it from the back, back till you see it from the back. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
Bring that ass over, doors, you bring it back. I'm a big dog tryna eat the kitty cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit. I can tell we match. All up on my racks, hella cheese. I don't put rats. Big crib in Hollywood, I don't even that. Come relax, let it attack. Put you on the act. Take a look with the pop, wipe the pain away. You see, and it's tighter than a virgin, like McDonald's say. I love when you give it, and I love when you don't. Hit me with the threesome, and sometimes you won't. Tell me don't with no bitches, you know. You got it, yeah, you got it, baby. Bust it on the floor.
I keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump. Then that's a beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back till you see it back, yeah. Back till you see it from the back. Back till you see it from the back. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. He need that rump and need the thighs. He eat that up and in the night. He see that in the dark and in the right. He keep it running like a pump. He need the rump and need the thighs.
Get you